dear students, we were doing active and passive voice, and I have already discussed how to make change of voice in present tense. Now let's move to the past tense and see how it is done in the past tense. Before I start, a few things I should revise to remember. The important things about passive voice is in active and passive voice. Active voice means the subject of the sentence is the doer of the action, and in passive voice the subject is the receiver of the action. Second important point, when we interchange from active to passive or passive to active, the subject and object interchange means subject of active becomes object of passive and object of active becomes subject of passive. And the third important point is we use the third form of the verb in all passive sentences. Now in past indefinite or simple past tense, see the example sentence. In active voice, Reena employed 300 men, and its passive voice will be 300 men were employed by Reena. Now you see Reena is the subject in active and 300 men is the object. So in passive we start with 300 men, making it subject of passive voice. Then was and were, these two helping verbs are used in simple present tense, was and were. Then the third form of the verb. In this manner it becomes 300 men were employed. Only two important things to remember: use of was and were according to the subject, as it is plural number, so we have used were, and employed is the third form. Another example you can see, they built 3 houses. 3 houses were built by them. If we make negative sentence, we use again were or was not, like I did not see him, he was not seen by me. You did not pay the bill was not paid by you. As we use did in the past tense to make negative sentence in simple past, so again in place of did we use was and were. If you make interrogative sentence like did Anmol open the shop, again you will use was and were in place of did. Was the shop opened by Anmol? And in the same manner interrogative negative also you can make. Example you can see, did they not enjoy the magic show? Was the magic show not enjoyed by them? Now if we talk about continuous in past, here again the rules are similar to present tense, only the change is in the helping verb. Here we will use was and were, as it is continuous tense, so ing form comes in the active voice, but as I told you, in place of ing form of the verb, what we use being. Like the example, I was learning my lesson. My lesson was being learnt by me. Okay, was being learnt. Was or were helping verb, being for continuous tense, and learnt is the third form here. As I told you, third form is only used in passive voice. So remember, here we are using being. To make it continuous, we are using being. This is most important to remember. If you make negative, the farmer was not plowing the field was not being plowed, not being plowed. Interrogative, were they abusing the others? were the others being abused by them? And interrogative negative, was she not driving a motor car? Was a motor car not being driven? So the only difference is here to use being. Now at last, if we talk about past perfect tense, now how the sentences are there in the perfect tense. Here, see the example. I had already done my work. Now remember, in perfect tense we already use third form. In active also, in perfect tense already third form is used, so it will not change in passive also. So no need to change here the verb because it is already in third form. Like already done, done is already third form, it will remain same in passive also. My work had already been done. Here the most important thing is to remember use of been. In perfect tense, when you see had, you will simply add been with this. Like in present tense we did has been, have been. In the same manner in past tense, had, you will add been also, had been. So work had been done, here already been done. And where to use been? After had and before the main verb. In between the helping verb had and the main verb, we will use in the middle of these two the word been. I had already done my work had already been done by me. I had written a letter had been written by me, in this manner. Negative, simply adding not. You had not written letter had not been written. Remember again the use of not is between had and been. Had not been, it is not like letter had been not written, it is wrong. The correct sentence is a letter had not been written. Remember, not is before been. This is most important thing to remember in negative. Similarly, interrogative, had he knocked at the door? Had the door been knocked at by him? If you make negative also in interrogative, like had she not washed the clothes? Had the clothes not been washed by her? So the important thing of perfect tense is the use of been. With the perfect tense helping verb had, we use been. This is how we make the passive forms of past tense. Okay, so that's all for today. Note down these rules with one example each. That's all. Thank you.